In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an image in WordPress 2025, quickly and efficiently. Whether you're a seasoned content creator or just starting with your WordPress journey, adding images can significantly enrich your posts, making them more engaging and visually appealing. So, let's get started with the step-by-step process. First, you'll want to navigate your starting point and where all the magic happens. Once you're on the official website, the next step is to log in. Look for the Login button, typically placed at the top right corner of the page. Clicking this will prompt you to enter your credentials, allowing you to access your WordPress dashboard. It's always a good idea to ensure you're using a secure password to protect your account. Now that you're logged in, you'll find yourself in the WordPress dashboard. Here you can view and manage all aspects of your website. From the dashboard, go ahead and click on Posts. This is where all your published and draft posts are listed. If you are planning to add an image to a new post, click the Add Post button. But if you're updating an existing post, select it from the list provided. As you create or edit your post, look for the plus block button within the text editor. Clicking on this button gives you access to various types of content blocks you can add to your post. Here, you're particularly interested in locating the image block option. Selecting this will prepare your post to receive an image. Once you've chosen the image block, WordPress will provide you with several ways to add an image. For this guide, we're focusing on the Upload option. Clicking Upload lets you select an image file from your computer. Choose the desired image and give it some time to upload. Depending on your internet speed and the size of the image, this could take a few seconds. Remember, when you're uploading, it's important to use images that are high quality, yet optimized for web display, to ensure your site remains fast and responsive. Also, always use alt text for your image. This is crucial for web accessibility, helping visually impaired visitors understand the content of your image. Additionally, it boosts your SEO as search engines use this information to comprehend the image context better. And that's it. You've successfully added an image to your WordPress post. Be sure to preview your post to see how the image looks and make any necessary adjustments. With practice, incorporating images into your WordPress posts will become second nature, enhancing your content's overall appeal and performance. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful WordPress tips and tricks.